Exercise 1. Dumbbell concentration curl. Focuses strictly on the biceps peak by eliminating momentum. Keep elbow pinned to the thigh and curl slowly. Squeeze the biceps hard at the top and lower with control. This creates intense isolation for maximum growth and definition, best used to finish a biceps workout for that final pump. Exercise 2. Dumbbell incline triceps extension. Targets the long head of the triceps with a deep stretch. Keep elbows fixed and let the dumbbell lower behind your head. Extend using only triceps power. Incline position increases the range of motion, making it ideal for overall triceps mass and shape development. Exercise 3. Seated barbell curl. Prioritizes strict biceps tension without leg drive. Being seated removes cheating momentum. Keep your back flat and curl the bar using only your arms. Squeeze hard at the top and avoid rocking. This move boosts biceps thickness and helps isolate the muscle under strict form. Exercise 4. Weighted tricep dips. Engages all three heads of the triceps along with chest and shoulders. Keep torso upright to target triceps more. Add weight to increase difficulty. Lower slowly and press up through the palms. Ideal for mass building and arm strength. Use full range for maximum triceps contraction. Exercise 5. Dumbbell hammer curl. Emphasizes brachialis and forearms while still hitting the biceps. Keep wrists in a neutral grip and curl with controlled motion. Avoid swinging. Squeeze at the top and lower slowly. Great for adding arm width and improving grip strength while reducing wrist strain. Exercise 6. Easy bar lying close grip triceps extension. Targets the long head of the triceps with less wrist strain than a straight bar. Keep elbows tight and stable. Lower the bar behind the head, then extend back up without locking elbows. This builds mass and thickness while enhancing elbow stability.